our drip for the day.
She dripping bus symbol.
Okay.
Explain what you mean.
Because my alarm rang, but I silenced it, and yeah. So we are currently late, and we estimate we will reach there by 12 then.
No, look at the edit. I cannot zoom in, but if you can zoom in the edited vlog, it says 4 minutes. Anyways, we're in pain.
No, we just wanna blame Mark Zuckerberg for his invention.
Mark Zuckerberg.
He's the Apple CEO.
Steve Jobs.
Steve Jobs. Why does your alarm make it so easy for you to snooze?
Yeah.
Shouldn't you add in some protective function?
Be like my LG alarm, bro. That thing never shut up.
Exactly. So you may want to reflect on that.
Running.
You want to say individual or together?
We are absolutely drained. Playing with dogs is so tiring.
Actually, even though we're quite late, right, there was still a lot of time.
Yeah, and I think 30 minutes was enough for me.
Yeah,
it was so long.
It was so cute.
They were so cute, but it's so tiring. I cannot be a dog owner. We got free drinks, in which we took Ice Mountain.
Stay hydrated.
I'm so tired right now. Now we're gonna find somewhere to eat, and I'm just broke, so. But we had a lot of fun with the dogs. Yeah, they were so cute. I would own one, but my mom said no, so.
Coco.
Pain. We're having Jollibee.
Someone told me Johnny Spaghetti was good. I swear it's Nicole Chong, but she claims it's not her.
It is.
So whoever it is, I'm gonna try it.
So we're going to like a cafe now. We actually
And it's so cute. It looks like those cafes that I see in Korea.
Korea. I want to go Korea. When we go Korea, can we go together?
If we go Korea, we're gonna go so good. We're gonna eat, and after we eat, we're gonna burn calories by shopping.
Get out of my face!
And where are we going, you may ask?
We are going to the what's the cafe called?
Listen to the tour guide. 粉红色的咖啡馆. Also, now we are a bit stuck. We are not stuck. I thought there was no way, but there is a way.
Where there's a way, we can always just hurry.
OFC, of course.
Strawberry tiramisu, I think. Looks good. Wow.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Yo, wait.
done. We're going home now.
We are so tired.
I need to buy 小白菜. Yeah.
Maybe we should start a podcast. You guys want to hear us have a podcast?
My stomach is on fire from the spicy chicken. I have no idea how Grace's stomach does not feel like it's on fire. Her Jollibee got her dying.
I guess I'm just I have low spice tolerance.
Okay, we're gonna end the vlog now. So like, bye.